Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today we are going to show you how you can to create first a React project and Windows. And the first step, you need to select path or address for your project. Where do you need or do you want to create your project on your device? In this case, I want to select this path or this address for my React project. C drive user happy desktop and React folder. Now copy this address and open cmdr command prompt. Here we can to create a React project. Now first you need to check is there node.js or runtime environment is installed or not, is React is installed or not in this device. First, you need to check this. If node.js or React was not installed, first you need to install it, and after installation, you can create React project. Run this command for checking is node.js or React is installed or not. npm view React version. Run this command. We will see now version of our React. Okay. We have this version 18.2.0. React is already installed and Node.js is already installed. Now here we can to create our React project. For creating a new project, first I need to move to my specific address, cd, and paste address which you are copied. Okay, here just write or run this command npx create dash react dash f and select your project name. Like I want to select project name in this case with words. Okay, I will fix this. Now press enter. Creating of our first React project and installation of this project is started. This may take around 10 minutes. I will come back. Welcome again. React project created successfully. Now I want to open this project in editor, and I will see output of this project in browser. So how you can to run this project in editor and how you can to run. Open a folder in VS Code and select your project path. I want to select my project path where my project name was wood. Select this folder. In here we have all part of our project. Okay. We can edit and add more part, and also we can to edit this part. Now I want to open main part of this project app.js, and now I want to run this project to see output of this project in browser. Okay. First, now here click on three dots. Select second option terminal. New terminal, and run this command here npm start. Press enter. We will see now output of this project and browser. Now open your browser and see here the output of your project. Okay, this is working very good, and this is output of our React project in browser. By this way we can create a React project.